Welcome back on the channel. Today we're gonna do a speed test between Redmi Note 8 Pro and Galaxy A50, and we're gonna check out which one is faster than the other one. On my previous test, we've seen that Redmi Note 8 had no chance against the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Also, Redmi Note 8 did a great job against Galaxy A50 because it was faster than Galaxy A50. And today we're gonna test out which one is faster between these two phones. So we got an MediaTek Helio G90T for Redmi Note 8 Pro on 12 nanometers against an Exynos 9610 on 10 nanometers. This would be an interesting battle. So 12 nanometers against 10 nanometers. Also we got 6 GB of RAM for Redmi Note 8 Pro against 4 GB of RAM for Galaxy A50, and we're gonna test out quite now which one is faster. So we got no NFC or location turned on for any of these two devices. Also no animation turned off again for both devices. No apps on the background, and also for this Redmi Note 8, the game speed booster is turned off. And we're gonna try to do a fair comparison, a fair speed test between these two phones. So we're just gonna start with the first app, which is calendar on 3, 2, 1, and we go to Galaxy A50. It's like 4-1 on this moment. Speed test again 5-1 on this moment. And let's have a look. The internet speed was not great on my previous test, also against the Redmi Note 8 because 8 had a speed more than double than this Redmi Note 8 Pro. So it's not that great on internet speed, on Wi-Fi at least. Okay, moving on, Galaxy 50 now. Let's test the speed and let's find out which came with few improvements after the last updates, and the internet is where it should be on this moment. So this is great. Actually, this video is recorded on Redmi Note 8 and the quality is amazing on 4K. I would say better than Redmi Note 8 Pro, my opinion. Okay, and this is with the internet speed. Yeah, Redmi Note 8 Pro on this moment, followed by Galaxy 50. And let's move on, the last one on 3, 2, 1. Come on, Galaxy. I was thinking I didn't press it, but I pressed it, but it's taking so long to open the game. Okay, was yeah, Redmi Note 8 Pro on this moment. We're gonna wait a few more seconds to load again to the end. It's 99% on this moment, so that's it. We got Redmi Note 8T. No, it's Redmi Note 8 Pro. Oh my god, I've been talking about all this video about these phones. So after the first round, I would say definitely Redmi Note 8 Pro it's a winner. Did open, I wouldn't say all the apps and games, because Galaxy A50 did open 1 or 2. And now we're gonna go backwards and we're gonna see which one is keeping better on the background, and we can see already instant for Note 8 Pro, and again 8 Pro, and again 8 Pro. Wow, it's amazing, this 8 Pro. Yeah. Wow, it's almost instant for 8 Pro. Yeah, so no chance for Galaxy 50. Wow, amazing. So Redmi Note 8 Pro did win this speed test. On the first round did open all of the apps and games faster than Galaxy 50. On the second round also no chance for Galaxy A50. So the winner after this test, it's Redmi Note 8 Pro. It did a great job. Also Redmi Note 8T did a great job against this Galaxy A50, but had no chance against Redmi Note 8 Pro. So the beast on this mid-range zone, I would say it's Redmi Note 8 Pro. It did a great job. So you can make an opinion, share your thoughts on that comment section, and see you again soon with another video.